Sinoeuro Machinery is a leading brand for wood-based panels machinery with many years' experience for veneer peeling, plywood machinery solutions plant with factory layout design, and processing technology support. Our factory covers 8,000 square meters with 50 R&D technicians for installation and after-sales service. We have professional engineer support, high-efficiency sales team, and competitive price superiority, and attract customers from all over the world, including US, East Europe, South America, Turkey, Russia, Indonesia, Africa. We are committed to provide complete solutions for veneer peeling line, plywood making plant, LVL, blockboard, PB, OSB production line. Main equipment include veneer peeling machine, veneer dryer, knife grinder, glue spreader, pre-press, hot press, core composer, sanding machine, boiler and related plant accessories and materials, as well as full automatic assembling line. Our products are CE approved and it can ensure quality. We give 1-year warranty for exporting machines and 24-hour online free service. Our engineers are available to go abroad for machine installation and worker training in regular time. We also provide with production technology support on customers' project like technology transfer, flowchart drawing, optimization of manufacturing processes, automation improvement, plant construction and production material supply, etc. Each machine can be customized with OEM. We value commitments, quality assurance, clients-focused and service-driven. Sinoeuro is your trustworthy partner. We sincerely welcome your kind inquiry and visit our factory.